Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory today. We're going to be talking about the 243 RBS. Really nice coach. It's going to have a slide, rear bath, and a lot of nice options. If you walk over with me, one thing you're going to notice right off the bat is that you have a lot of storage right up in the front. Okay, pass-through storage with a nice large awning that runs pretty close to the whole length of the coach. As you walk up to the entrance, the thing that you're going to see right off the bat is that you have a solid step. So getting in and out, it's fully adjustable. It's going to allow you to raise it or lower it depending on where you're camping. One thing you'll also notice with this particular unit is that you have a lot of clearance. So going into areas where there's rocks, off-road, lots of nice, clearance for that. And then as you walk to the back, you're gonna see that it also comes with the fold down rack. So if you needed to load up your generator, fuel, anything like that, it'll be ready to go. So let's go inside. One of my favorite options with this particular unit as well is that it has a nice counter. If you wanted, you could go ahead and put stools in here, so you can have some breakfast. You have a nice sized TV. A nice fireplace. You're gonna have AC throughout the whole coach, and it's gonna be ducted all the way through. One thing you'll also notice is that you're gonna have a lot of cabinet space, so a lot of storage. So when you're going camping, you're gonna, not have to come back and reload or anything like that. As you can see back here, you could use that as a pantry or somewhere to store your towels and other, things that you use for camping. Once you walk to the back, you're gonna have your bathroom right back here. Nice step-in shower. Nice corner sink and a nice vanity as well. Once you walk up to the front, you have a bedroom with a full walk-around bed. And you're gonna have a lot of storage in there as well. Places to hang your clothes. Nice lighting in there. And a lot of space for you to go camping. One thing you'll also see is that you have a really nice dinette with a lot of storage underneath. And this also folds down into a bed. The couch is a tri-fold setup, allowing you to fold it out. So if you have people camping with you, you'll be able to give them a place to stay. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory. My name is gChavarin. If you have any questions on this particular unit or anything in our inventory, please feel free to reach out to me. Phone number is 541-810-2202. Thank you.